Hi, I'm Rudy Rude. Yeah, I mean, by now you already know me, but for those of you that don't know me, I'm Rudy Rude. I like to roast humans. I like to roast my human mostly. But nah, for real, humans, they really wake up tired after sleeping all night. Y'all had one job. Make no sense. My human loses stuff every single day. At this point, it's part of his personality. He checks the fridge like, new food gonna magically appear. Nothing changed since 6 minutes ago, man. I don't get it. Y'all know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean? Humans say, I'm gonna start eating healthy while holding snacks. That's not a plan. That's guilt. My human talks to himself constantly, all day long. Bro having staff meetings with nobody. Oh gosh. Humans trip over absolutely nothing. Then get mad at the floor. My human watches videos while another video already playing. Your attention span fighting for its life here, bro. Humans spend 20 minutes deciding what to eat. I ate a mystery crumb under the couch and moved on. My human sets alarms he fully plans on ignoring. That's called lying to yourself. Humans always say, I'm about to leave. Then stand at the door for another half hour. My human says, where's my phone? While holding it, like you've been holding it for the past 10 minutes. I shouldn't be the smart one in the house. Humans type passwords wrong and immediately get angry. Like the computer hurt your feelings. My human starts cleaning one thing, then gets distracted and creates 3 more messes. Y'all stress yourselves out recreationally. My human says, I'll remember that. No, you won't. Humans walk into the room and completely forget why. Brain just restarting mid-mission. My human acts productive after answering one email. Relax, Eon. My humans say 5 more minutes, like time negotiates. My human gets embarrassed waving at somebody who wasn't waving at him. I seen that. I'll never forget it. Humans really spend money to go stress out at gyms. I run in circles for free. My human sighs dramatically before doing basic tasks. You not carrying the world. You taking out the trash. Humans really think they in charge of dogs. Meanwhile, y'all can't control your own screen time. All right, I'm Rudy Rude. Stay rude.